गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड आफ्टरनून, गुड इवनिंग, डिपेंड करता है कितने बजे आप देख रहे हो। आज हम लोग बात करेंगे कि व्हाट इज़ द बेस्ट ऑप्शन फॉर अ स्टूडेंट जो अब्रॉड ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं। व्हाट इज़ द बेस्ट फॉरेक्स कार्ड फॉर दैट पर्सन। तो विल ट्राई एंड एक्सप्लोर अबाउट बुक माई फॉरेक्स. Very important because I've been getting a lot of messages about book my forex and I did a little bit of digging around. मैं क्या मिला उनके बारे में, we will come to it at the end of the video. But having said that, let's understand what do they say, what are their claims and ये entire क्या ताम झाम है book my forex का. This is powered by Make My Trip and essentially they work very closely with Yes Bank to issue those cards to you. So that's number one. Now those who know me personally, I am associated with a foreign university in out of India, and there are people whom I connect from India जो बाहर रहे हैं and they are using this particular card and overall they had a pretty okayish experience. Again, this is not a sponsored post and I'm really not going to say कि हाँ this is the best card, go ahead and take it and blah blah and all that, because I personally have not used it, but some of my students have used it and they've kind of found it pretty okay. Now let's understand and dig into the video to check कि है क्या ये. Okay, first thing first. So basically we are trying to understand कि what are the payment options that a student has जो अगर वो बाहर पढ़ रहा है. Of course, one is wire transfer. Now, typically, somebody, your parents or your brother, your mother, or whoever would transfer you the money. It takes around 24 to 48 hours to complete. That's of course an option. The second, of course, is the foreign currency demand draft, which is always there. But you and I both know how difficult or cumbersome is to kind of deal with demand drafts. Overall procedure is kind of sticky if you really ask me so. And the third option essentially is forex card, जिसके बारे हम लोग बात करेंगे. Now why forex card? Now typically forex card is one of the best for spending money prudently, because you have while you will have a plastic money at your disposal, but then you will also have a fixed conversion rate. There is a particular loading currency, different types of currency that आप load कर सकते हो. Insurance cover free मिल जाता है बहुत सारे forex card के साथ. And of course emergency cash के लिए भी बहुत फायदा. You can always run into an ATM and take this cash out. So that's there. And majorly बहुत सारे students they take it, they carry it and they use it, and Book My Forex have been one of the prominent ones among them. So that's there. Now typically some of the benefits of a Book My Forex multi-currency supercharge card is basically you can actually load multiple currency. They have got a good exchange rate and a fixed exchange rate, zero issuance, virtual expense tracking कर सकते हो, proactive support, same-day delivery and of course a referral program. Now let's understand कि essentially अगर मैं इसको comparison करना है with other similar type of competitors, how do they stack up, which is here. So the essential points of difference being currency exchange rate is offered at an interbank rate without markup, which is in case of Book My Forex. HDFC, Thomas Cook, ICICI जो issuance parameters जो है उनके लिए जब explanation की बात हो रही है, they don't do it. Currency exchange is offered at a fixed rate, which is happening in the case of most of them, barring most of them, in fact all of them, all the comparisons that's there. सेम डे डिलीवरी ऑफ द फिजिकल फॉरेक्स कार्ड, अगेन टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस अप्लाई है, यस है, बट बहुत सारे शहरों में ये लोग कर नहीं पाते हैं, तो दैट्स देयर. Discount for students on wire transfer, which is yes in this case of Book My Forex card, which is no for the rest of it. Issuance charges involved with Forex card is zero. For HDFC, it's essentially 500 plus GST, and Thomas Cook and ICICI also have their issuance charges. Now, typically, if you really look at these stuffs, अगर कंपैरिजन भी करो एक एक करके, से फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम लुकिंग एट द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन विच इज द बुक माई forex card. Some of the important factors, of course, is that available at interbank rates, same day delivery, zero issuance, zero loaded usage charges, student cashback offer, and book now and pay later features which are available. Now, typically, when you sign up for this, what you end up getting is a cashback travel card, get up to ₹2,000 of cashback, उसके भी TNC apply होगा. Cashback on wire transfer, up to 5,000 cashback you can get on wire transfer using Book My Forex. The promo code भी दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे, अब चेक करके देख लो ये valid है कि नहीं. SIM card, it offers 25% off on the international SIM card, making it the best travel card for students. That's what they're saying. And also accommodation discount. आप यहाँ पे accommodation Ambus student करके कर सकते हो, and you will get some £20 discount along with 24/7 free assistance. Some of my students, of course, have used this. They say that it's kind of okay. That is there, and overall मैं अगर comparison की ही बात करूँ, so if you really look at stuff, this is convenient way of loading into it, and the fun part is that मैं अगर ये साइट जब लोड करता हूँ ना, इसमें एक prompt देता है which says that पता नहीं दिखा, हाँ ये देखो, say that as per RBI guidelines, e-commerce transactions are currently not allowed on Neo Global Card, and post 14 March Neo Global Card may be completely stop working overseas. Now thing is that कि they are completely they're very happy कि Neo Global Card के लफड़े में आ गया है, so they're very happy about it, and they are almost promoting at the top of their roof, saying that boss, this is where it stands now. Now final verdict, please ask somebody who has used this. Please ask somebody who has an experience of using this, या फिर somebody who is aware of how forex card is being used, because आप बाहर रहोगे, it's very very important, you should know what kind of stuff you are getting into. ये सब अगर check कर लो, I am sure things will not be difficult, and yes, a lot of people are using it. I don't see a problem, which is which should happen. Having said that, I hope Neo Global Card makes a comeback. It's a very decent card. ऑल्दो आज की डेट में प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है तो कांट हेल्प इट, बट ठीक है, क्या करें, ये है इशू. एंड व्हाट आई हैव आल्सो डन इज दैट, नॉट फॉर एनी फॉरेक्स कार्ड, बट देयर आर मल्टीपल कार्ड्स व्हिच आई हैव गॉट डिसेंट ऑफर्स. वो मैं फर्स्ट कमेंट पे लोड कर दूंगा, आप देख लो, उसमें अगर कुछ ठीक लगे, आप यू कैन गो हेड एंड बाय दोस कार्ड्स आल्सो, व्हिच इज ओवर एंड अबव व्हाटएवर दैट यू आर यूजिंग. जहाँ तक अगर देखिए, एंड इफ यू हैव एनी फ्रेंड, फैमिली मेंबर्स, और यू आर द पर्सन हु आर गोइंग अहेड एंड स्टडीइंग अब्रॉड, प्लीज गो अहेड and have a safe journey and a great life ahead, and yeah, stay safe.